Hello, my name is Courtney Lum. I currently am a student at GCU, Grand Canyon University, and when you're seeing this video, I'm actually back home for summer, but I decided to, film a little room tour for anybody who maybe wants to go or just wants to see what a double occupancy looks like at GCU. So I'm going to give you that little room tour, but I just want to let you know that I'm going to do one that's like before we start packing up and then one after we start packing up. I'm actually leaving way before my other roommates, so yeah. And then I'm also showing the common room and then my room. I'm not going to show like the other room of this because there's 3 rooms, so there's this room and then one right through this door and then one on the other side like of this door, but I'm not going to show that one because that one is like, I don't live there. That's not my space. That's my other roommate's space. I already got permission from my roommate who lives here, but I'm not really going to show her your stuff. I'm just going to show you guys like the layout and stuff, and then once I'm about to move out, I'll show you guys that one too. So okay, so here is the room tour of my room. It's kind of a mess, so we're just gonna ignore the parts that are messy, but here we go. Okay, so coming in, I'm not gonna show this wall that's over here because I have a bunch of like pictures of people who have come in and I don't really know if they want to be in there. But we have this little like nook area, and so it comes over here, comes with a sink, and then it goes to over here. Yeah, comes with a sink. This is the only thing it really came with. It has a little cabinet. Okay, get your own trash can though. You have to get your own trash can because what's it called, don't get one of those. We were gonna stick with one of these, but like this gets filled up within 1 or 2 days, so don't get one of those, get one of these. Anyways, you have to bring like a little mini fridge. You can have one in this room, one in this room, and one in your other room, but you can't have like 2 in this room or 2 in this room because that's not allowed. And then over here, it's different in every room, but we have this table that was given to us by the school, and then this couch that was given to us by the school, as well as this one. The pillows, I believe we brought, I'm not sure. That pillow we also brought, and then the seat covers we also brought. It's very different in different rooms. I know some have like these black like movable singular couch things, but ours just has one. And then these couch, like the cushions, you can't like lift them up or anything. It's stitched in. And then we just kind of decorated our room. So got posters, definitely decorated it. This mirror did not come with the room. This lamp also did not come with the room, but this lamp, we have like a fun light so we can turn off these lights. Also, the lights look different in every building too. It's really weird. And then over here we have these decorations, and then going into my room. So this is like, in this room, just like imagine this, but like reversed or like flipped, So this is my side actually. And we have my bed, and then this is my roommate's bed. She did say I can show her side, kind of. I'm not gonna like go into it, but like this is her bed. So you see it's just 2 stacked onto each other, and you kind of just you can ask facilities to do it, so you don't have to do it yourself. But if you want to like raise it or lower it, there's like these notches on it. I'm actually not sure how they work, but I know that you can raise and lower it. So hers can go a little bit higher. Mine can go, I think mine is at the highest of the first one. So I actually really like this. We're gonna ignore the mess that's down there. But my drawer though, it doesn't close all the way, which is really weird. It's always been like that. I think my roommate also has one that's like that. I don't know which one though. But, oh, don't even look away. So we have this. It comes with the dressers, the bed, the table, and then the chair. And I know the chairs look like this. Mine just has a bunch of jackets on it. The chairs, they're not too comfortable, but they're comfortable enough. And then the tables, I know in some dorms they have locked bottom ones. Mine personally doesn't lock, so get yourself a safe if you can get one, because yeah, that doesn't lock. It comes with a table, and it's a nice space. I actually really like this table. You can push it against like this way, maybe make it like a little loft, or do it like this, up to you. I like having a mirror. This is in like a weird spot though because the light is actually coming from behind, so maybe don't put it here, but like I feel like this is where most people put their mirrors. Anyways, so the windowsill, we have this much room. You can put stuff on it. I put my books here. My camera's sitting right here. And then yeah, just kind of put my books. Then there's all this. We ignore it. So I'm gonna show you the bathroom now. So inside, whoa, get a little like trash can. I'm not gonna show you my bathroom trash can because it's a little overflowing, but in the bathroom we have a sink And then it doesn't come with these, so I would get at least one for sure. I put two, or me and my roommate got two because one there, one next to the sink. You get these little cabinets, good amount of space besides where the sink is, the shower, and in the shower, so we have little shelves. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then I put something at the bottom. So you get 3 shelves. 2, if you have a triple occupancy, you still only get 2 on each side, so you're gonna have to divide it probably like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But because it's just me and my roommate, we have mine on one side and hers on the other side. And then with towel stuff, we have a hook that's up here. Ours is actually broken. We did not break it though. That was not us. We put something there and it broke. That's not us. That's not us. So we also have this little hook for mine, hook for my roommates, and then my old roommate bought this where we can like hang our stuff, but it doesn't come with it or anything. And then ours, so once we turned this on, you probably heard it, but the fan turned on, so if I turn it off, the fan will turn off. But me and my roommate, we got this light, which kind of like if you're going in the middle of the night and you don't want to see that big, that humongous light, ooh, and then you don't want the fan to turn on, we have this. And we also have this one up here. I don't really know why we put it up here, but we have another one up there. This one kind of falls, so I like this one, but no, it's really nice. And then moving on into the closet, my closet's kind of messy, so we're just gonna ignore that. But in here, if you have a triple occupancy, most people just buy a little shelf, another like hanger for this side. But what we have, this is my roommate's stuff. I'm not really gonna show her stuff too much. She has this little thingy, which I think is so cute, where she can put some of her stuff. Then we have these shelves, and actually I'm occupying all these 3. I feel bad that I'm occupying all these, but she has her little thing. But I just put stuff up there. This is a mess. We're just gonna ignore all of this, but put stuff here, stuff down there. And then over here, I actually got one of these hanging like little shelf things where I put all of my like pants and stuff. Got my dresser, which kind of goes right next to it, which is really cute. And then my shoes, I put up there. People put different things, like my friend or my roommate, she has all her jeans. And then over here, I have our vacuum and our sweeper kind of thing just sitting over here. So yeah, that is our room tour. I think I covered it all. And yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys the little empty room tour, or empty-ish room tour, because I think I'm the first one leaving. So yeah. Okay, here's my dorm now. So this is my side. I have my chair still. This is just my stuff, but drawers, all this, my desk. I have my drawers under, my underbed. There's a lot of space. This is my closet. My roommate still hasn't moved out yet. She just moved out of her closet, so her stuff is still over there. But yes, and then this next room, still not completely moved out, but we moved out. We took down the decorations and stuff. This rug we have to get rid of. These are the couches that come with the room. Gotta get rid of that game as well. And then gotta get, you know, all these don't come with it, but the sink, yeah, we gotta clean that. But I'm leaving today, so overall, I honestly really enjoyed this kind of living space. Hearing from my friends who go to other schools and stuff, it's just kind of, it's a lot more roomy and you get more space. And especially if, you know, I want to FaceTime someone, or my roommate wants to FaceTime someone, or we just want to stay up later in the night, we can just stay in our common room. So that's really nice. But yeah, no, it's a good space. Like, this is, for reference, me in it, you know, walking around, like, it's a good length. Just know it's a decent length. So yeah, I live in Sedona Hall, and a lot of the buildings look differently, and just like a little bit, like some of the furniture is slightly different, but overall this is for Sedona from what I've seen in most rooms. So yeah, thank you so much for watching all the way through this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you like this, you should subscribe.